Hello everyone, this is episode number 2 of our fighting game series. If you guys missed out on episode 1, I'll leave a link in the description to it. I very heavily suggest checking out that video before you check out this one. But anyways, let's get on with episode 2, which will be hit detection. So, meaning when we like hit another player or an NPC, we want to actually damage them, right? So, the first things we're going to do, we're going to just insert a R6 preset just to like, as like a dummy. And we're going to go inside of our punch tool. If you guys can see, I have listed now. You guys don't need to do this. I just listed it to remember it. But I listed like which hand each of these punches are. So the first punch is with the left hand, second right, third left, fourth right. So that is going to be the hand that will correspond to when we swing. We're going to go inside of our handler script, and we're going to make a new variable called local can damage equals true. And yeah, so now in each of these, right, when we're going to play a punch track, we're going to say we're going to say can damage equals true, and then we're going to say user character. Actually, no. Up here we're gonna define it. So we'll say user right hand. If you're doing R16, it depends on what you're doing. I mean R15. It depends on what like type of avatar type you're using. So if you're using R15, it's gonna be right hand. If you're using R6, it's going to be right arm. So just think about that. If it's R15, they have hands, lower arm, upper arm, so it'll be hand. But if you're using R6, then it's right arm. So we're just gonna say user character find first child right hand, and then we'll do the same thing for here. Let me just make sure this is actually the correct thing. Yeah, left hand and right hand. Those things right there. So we'll go back in here. We'll say user right. This was left hand, right? This one was left hand. Yeah. All right. So user left hand dot touched connect function. Actually, no. Don't do function. Just do connect. And you could do that for all of these. So just take this, take these little two lines right here, enter there. Can damage equals 2. This one's going to be right hand. Same thing for here. This one's going to be left hand. And then this last one will be right hand. So we need to now write a function for damaging. So what we're going to do, we'll enter up here. We'll make a new function. We'll say local function damage damage player, and then we'll hit enter. Now we're gonna need to send over some things. So what we're gonna need to be sending over is we're gonna be sending over the hit, which is H. We're gonna be needing to send over. Well, actually no, we don't send that over. Up here we write H. Because what we're going to do is we're going to call to this in here. So we're going to put damage player right here. We're going to call to it in there. And I think that's really all we need to put. Just H. That's all we need. And now what you could do is you could put damage player into each of these little connect parentheses. So up here we're going to say if h.parent find first child humanoid. Then, so we're checking it's actually like a player that we're hitting or an NPC or something that we're hitting that actually has a humanoid in it to damage. We're gonna say if can damage equals true, then we're gonna set it right to false because we don't want to damage it over and over again. So we're gonna set it right to false, and then let's actually make it so that the humanoid takes damage. So what we'll do is we'll say if h, we could do this actually. So So we're going to check to make sure that's actually a thing. And if it is, then we'll just say target humanoid dot health equals target humanoid dot health minus however much health you want them to get damaged. So I think this should work, hopefully. So let's go ahead and see if it works. So we go up to here, and it is not working. All right. Is there any errors? Nope, there are 0 errors. Awesome. Let's try to print out stuff. So we'll say print hit. Let's try that. Okay, so it is printing hit. It's printing a lot of them, which is not at all what we want. But oh wait, I know why it's printing multiple of them. All right, we're gonna put it here. Put it right here. So it's printing hit, but it's not damaging the humanoid. We can try colon take damage 15. Maybe that. Nope, still doesn't want to work. Is it because, wait a second, hold on. No, oh, it's working. It's just, I think I know what's happening. It's doing this. It's not displaying the it's not displaying the thing up here. There we go. Okay. All right. Now we have it figured out. So it was working. All right. So we go up to the humanoid. We punch, 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 and now it is taking damage. But it's kind of boring. There's no sounds or anything. We already have a swing sound in here, so let's play that. We'll say, we can just say right here, we'll say sounds folder dot swing colon play. Let's see if that now plays a swing sound. Yep, plays a swing sound now, but now we need an actual hit sound for when we hit the actual player. So we'll go here, we'll look up hit, or actually we'll look up punch hit. This one will do. We'll put it in here, we'll name it punch hit. And then up here we'll just say we'll say, wait, how long is this? This is 0.5. All right. In here we'll say local new hit sound equals sounds folder dot punch hit colon cologne freaking throat. New hit sound dot parent equals h colon find first and then new hit sound colon play, and then we will destroy it by going game colon get service debris colon add item new hit sound after like a second. So there we go with that. So now let's go ahead and play and see if the sounds are working. And the hit sound is not working. Let me see this for a second. Okay. Not working. All right, local new hit sound equals sound clone. I mean, we could just play it inside of. Well, I mean, no, we can't do that though. Could we do that? Yeah, we could actually do that. All right, we'll do this. We'll say sounds folder dot punch hit colon play. So let's see if that works now. Get rid of this. All right, let's test this out. All right. It's working. It is working good. Awesome. So that is hit detection for our combo punch tool. One thing I forgot to mention in the last tutorial, for the punch, you're going to click on it, you're going to go to properties, you're going to scroll down, and you're going to disable requires handle and can be dropped. Disable, just make sure all three of these are disabled, because you just don't want those enabled. So that is it for today's episode of the fighting game. If you guys enjoy this, video, please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. We're growing a lot, so it's been awesome to see the support. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave those in the comments as well. If you guys have any suggestions for another part in the series, anything you guys want me to add, like, I don't know, cash or something, or like cash on kill or something like that, leave me those in the comments as well. And yep, that's it for today's video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one.